So the most common natural refrigerant in the commercial refrigeration are propane and CO2. And let's talk about how Cowrie's brazed plate heat exchanger can be utilized on both natural refrigerants. Cowrie offers total solution for commercial refrigeration, as convenience stores and supermarkets are in every corner of our lives. Imagine if we replace all refrigerants by natural refrigerants. This will make a huge difference in our environment. Because the propane is a very flammable gas, its usage amount must be limited. And this is where the microchannel comes in. By using microchannel, we are able to reduce the amount of refrigeration charge and save the weight of brazed plate heat exchanger. Another choice is the CO2 system, which only has global warming potential of 1. However, its high working pressure is hard for the system components. But here, Cowrie offers brazed plate heat exchangers with maximum working pressure up to 140 bars. This makes the CO2 system easier to handle. In this topic, let's look at how microchannel and asymmetric design can improve the performance. In Cowrie, we offer customers with more options. If we look on the right side of the slide, it shows a few different cross-sections of the brazed plate heat exchangers. The first pattern is the standard or conventional pattern. As you can see, both sides having the same volume. And the second pattern shows how microchannel is. Both sides are significantly smaller than the standard pattern. So this saves the refrigerant charge by 20%. And the third pattern is so-called asymmetric pattern, and it allows one side to be smaller than the other. So it keeps the benefit of microchannel with less refrigerant charge while keeping the water side with bigger volume, so the pressure drop can be limited. The asymmetric is still under development, but we will have an announcement for its release very soon. Please stay tuned for the updates. And last but not the least, all patterns can be constructed in a robust way, so they can handle up to 140 bars for CO2 applications. And in this slide, here is an example of a low global warming potential water loop display unit. By adapting a microchannel condenser, we are able to save 20% of the refrigerant charge. This is perfectly suitable for smaller scale showcase with R290 propane. In this topic, let's look at an example of the reliability and efficiency improvements for heat pump and chillers. This is an example of an air chiller or heat pump. The evaporator, economizer, and heat recovery unit require brazed plate heat exchangers. If we replace these 3 brazed plate heat exchangers with microchannels, they can be reduced in size and weight by 27% compared with standard conventional brazed plate heat exchangers, and also save 21% in carbon footprint during the manufacturing process.